This 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 29 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Avondale, Arizona, 85323 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Avondale. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features Sleep 6, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.